All right, ladies and gentlemen, with this nice, wonderful French Italian bread that we made, we're going to make steak sandwiches. This is going to be a skirt steak. I can tell you which part of the cow it comes from, right there in the information. We're going to cut an onion up. This one is pre-cut, maybe a couple cloves of garlic. Then we're going to fry it up in the Hexaclad. It's already been pre-coated with oil. So let's get started. How do you cut an onion? Like this. All right. I'm a professional. Perfect. We want some onions that are like this too, just for texture. Cut that off. I don't want to eat that. Don't want to eat that either. All right, I'm getting the pan up to heat so I can place that in there. It's around 8 or so. Stand by. I'm going to saute the onions and garlic first because I don't want to play with burning it and all that. I'm not that good. Getting this up to heat a little bit. I got some olive oil because I'm watching my cholesterol. All right, here we go. Let's throw in the onions and garlic. Good enough. I'm going to brown these and then set them aside. Let's throw some salt in there. There we go. See that? There's some browning occurring. All right, this should be just about it. Nice. Let's put it aside. Woohoo. Look at this. Whoa. Whoa. That's a skirt and a half. Oh, that smells good. Oh, I know Matilda's gonna like that bad boy. Look at that, skirting around. Oh, we got some garlic powder. We got a little onion powder. We got a little salt and a little pepper. All right, let that cook up a little bit. Cut it into some more manageable pieces. Looks good. That's a lot of steak. Glad I didn't get the big one. Skirt steak. Oh, look who smells it. Matilda, you smell that? Yes, you do. Looks like it's time to flip. Shoot. Flip. Shoot. Flip. Oh, look at that. Nice. Flip. Flip. Oh. Look at this one. Oh, ja. The pan was nice and hot. All right. We're actually almost done. Let's spice this up. Pepper. And sodium chloride. Touch of this, onion powder, touch of garlic powder, and guess what's coming back in the mix? If you said onions, you were correct. All right, it looks like it's browned nicely. If we check the center, it should be just pink. Let's take a look at the thickest piece. Looks nice. Now we're gonna prepare the sandwiches. Stand by. All right, it's sandwich preparing time. Let's get some of this meat, chop it up to edible pieces. This looks like enough for 3 sandwiches or 2. I have my cutting glove on because of this. All right. A little curve action. Got some strips. Gonna throw some cheese on this. it's so tender. Look at that. Let's make it to where people don't have to chew that much. They can actually take a bite of steak in their sandwich and not pull out half of it when they're eating. Nah, I mean, throw some cheese on there so it can go direct to sandwich. All right. Let's get that sandwich bread out. With mine, I like mayonnaise, that's for sure. So we're gonna cut that proper. This one was with the bread yeast. All right, look at that. Okay. Let's take some bread out. So we have a dip. All right. Get some of this and stack it on there. I guess I could take off my cutting glove. Kind of a narrow sandwich. I should have made them wider. Just put a little mayo on there. This is Kewpie mayo. Put a dab of mustard on there. Brown mustard. I know you don't like barbecue sauce that much, but we do up in this country. Just a little bit though. And yes, we like the flavor of this too. Oh yeah, that tastes good. All right. Gonna close that bad boy up. Look at that. Gonna cut that bad boy in half. All right, Matilda's over there. We got a little steak sandwich going on. You ready? Do you want some skirt steak, Matilda? You want this skirt steak? Okay. Whoa. Wait.